Hi, I'm Holly Meyer, and all this information right here, well, that simply tells you where I went to school and what my legal experience has been throughout my career. But it really doesn't explain who mother-in-law is, why I'm here, or why I even started doing this. First thing I want to say is I am not an expert in every area of the law, and I'm never going to claim to be. But what I am is experienced in understanding the law, and I can see how it interacts with our everyday lives. You see, in my opinion, the law should not be a mystery. It applies to all of us. It tells us what our responsibilities are to one another, as well as it tells us what our rights are. And when I'm talking about rights, I'm talking about what's fair. For example, if you were hurt by somebody's actions, wouldn't you say it's fair that they should pay for the damages? So does the law. But the law also says that it's our responsibility to protect ourselves as well. For example, you really can't step in front of a moving car and then blame the driver for hitting you. I mean, you decided not to protect yourself. So it's only fair that you have the responsibility for your injuries. The same idea applies in every aspect of our lives. From, say, hiring a contractor or buying things. We have to protect ourselves. It's our obligation. Because I'm telling you, in reality, it is not the other person's responsibility to look out for you any more than it's your responsibility to look out for them. So you need to take the steps to protect yourself. The problem is, how? Too many times in my career, I hear, ooh, I didn't know that. Or, I simply didn't understand. Or the worst of all, I didn't think I had to read it before I signed it because they told me what was in it. This is how we get hurt. Yeah, physically and emotionally can happen, but most of all, financially. That's why I've decided to start educating as many people as I possibly can in regards to how the law works. Because if you understand how it works, especially in layman's terms, and then you can see how it applies in your life already, things that you already know, you put it together, then you have the tools to protect yourself, even before problems happen. So that, my friend, is the reason I'm here, to try to help develop the tools and put what you already know in connection with the existing law. I'm going to try to offer as much advice and explanation about the law as I possibly can here as your mother-in-law. And I really hope to see you soon.